you pop it out. Okay? Putting it back in is the exact reverse. Just make sure the gasket here is in place. Slide it in, it lines right up. I would screw these first holes up here. That holds it in place. Go opposite side. Let's just go ahead and screw all the screws in, get them started. Loosen this guy over a little bit.
Remember, it was like sometime last week I just set him on top. You asked about.
Put this guy on. And then tighten them back up. One. Two. Three. 4. 5, and I have to get the 6th screw. I'll put that in here, tighten that up. And then you would just plug this into the receptacle that's on the bottom of the arm and you're ready to roll. Make sure that you connect these 2 screws underneath.